Hey guys, what is going on? My name is Marcus and this is Saab Cars. If this is your first time here and you want to get to know your Saab better, make sure you click that subscribe button. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a worn-out doorstop on the new generation 9.3, coming right up. The doorstop is located down here. Either it starts making strange sounds like squeaking noises, or it just feels worn out. It should be really smooth opening and closing the door. Imagine yourself opening and closing the door several times during a day, and then for several years. So the time has come to replace the worn-out doorstop. First we need to remove the cover for the door handle and the two T30 screws. Then we need to unclip the door panel using some plastic prying tools. Then we need to peel off some of the water protection down here close to the doorstop, just to gain access to it. Then we need to remove the connector for the motor for the window because that's in the way. Then we remove the two nuts here in the door and the two screws in the chassis. And those are the ones holding the doorstop in place. Then we just lift the old one out and put the new one in, and then it's everything in reverse. So, let's get to work. So this is the new part. I will put the part numbers in the description section along with the part numbers for the extra clips if anything goes wrong. So the new doorstop is in place and it already feels much better when opening and closing the door. So let's put everything back together. The connector for the motor for the window, the water protection and the door side. Here's the old one, kind of rusty and so on. Always nice to have a new part.
Wie ein Held zum Siegen, wie ein Held.
So, the door opens and closes as if the car was new again. So, final things before everything is back. The door handle, just clip it in place. So the new doorstop is in place and it's really smooth now opening and closing the door. The part numbers for the doorstop and the extra clips will be put in the description section below. If you feel like this video has helped you in any way, please consider subscribing, and if you like the video, just hit the like button. I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe, guys. Bye.